grammar. You've got great grammar. That's what it is. You've got grammar. Are we?
Do we have any Harry Potter fans here today? Endure a lot of wear and tear, and the best way to make it last was to use the real thing. Now this floor withstood some of the most iconic scenes seen throughout the film series, including Professor Quirrell running through the Great Hall screaming "Draw in the dungeon!" and of course the sword.
Is that the first one?
So my darling children, do you all know where am I today? Yes, the Harry Potter Warner Brothers Studio Tour London, also known as the Making of Harry Potter. So this tour provides an in-depth look at the behind-the-scenes magic of the Harry Potter film series. Yes, of course. Visitors can walk through the actual sets used in the Harry Potter films.
Oh yeah. So, like 2 weeks ago I said, I'm gonna be the next one. That's what I've been talking about.
Also, this tour offers a unique glimpse into the filmmaking process, showcasing how special effects and green screen technology were used to create magical scenes. So, visitors can participate in interactive experiences like flying a broomstick using green screen technology. Yeah, I did participate for that. I think you already saw that video.
Look at all the pictures, they're so cool. Well, a bigger job for everyone there. We're all asleep.
New celebrity. Okay, what would I get if I added powdered root or acid oil to an infusion of wormwood? You don't know? Well, let's try again. Where, Mr. Potter, would you look if I asked you to find it? I can teach you how to bewitch the mind and ensnare its senses. I tell you how to bottle fame, brew glory, and the possession of abilities so formidable that you feel confident enough to not pay attention.
This tour attracts Harry Potter fans from all over the world.
scream. That's a monkey. What is that? Yeah, a monkey. Do not keep it on a kid. Oh, okay. Here's what I know.
It was oak furniture, as most of furniture is in Scotland. It was a huge warm carpet, a big squishy sofa which we reupholstered with red velvet and then really worked on it to age it.
Everything's extremely threadbare, diminishing in size as you went up. That seemed to me a magical, still credible, still real, still structurally impossible on the edge, but absolutely in the right balance. Real. It's a very unusual, interesting, and good architectural form, as
Imagine somebody calls it. Open it up, see what it says.
This platform 9 3/4 setup includes the original Hogwarts Express train, offering a nostalgic experience for fans. So some people come here to taste butterbeer. So this studio tour a must-visit destination for fans and anyone interested in the art of filmmaking. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.